Vtiger CRM versus Odoo. Which CRM is better? So it usually just depends on whether you want a dedicated CRM tool or a complete business management, since of course they will have their own pros and cons and different kinds of features, but a few similarities. So the platforms does offer sales automation, contact management, customer support, those similar stuff, but they will differ in complexity, scalability, and overall ecosystem. So we're gonna differ them starting with Vtiger. So Vtiger is a customer-focused platform designed to help businesses manage leads, contacts, sales, pipelines, and support tickets all in one place. It combines the sales, marketing, and customer service tools into a single CRM system. Now you can take a look at their features directly inside the website to really dive in what they can do for you. You could always go ahead and try Vtiger for free. So it has the affordable pricing if it is affordable for you. It combines sales, marketing, and support, which we've already mentioned, AI insights, and automation for sales teams. Now, it has fewer integrations compared to larger CRMs, and some modules can feel somewhat complex, but other than that, there's still a lot Vtiger can give you. But more on that later. We can go ahead and take a look at Odoo first. So Odoo is a full business management platform that includes CRM. So it has it as one of its many modules. If you take a look here, they have CRM as just one of their tools. Now, sometimes a lot, or the more the better, but there could be times that it is too much as well. Maybe you're purchasing something that you won't be able to use. So there's going to be cases that getting something for what you need and what you only want. Now, Vtiger does have other stuff than CRM, but still, the Odoo here will offer apps for accounting, inventory, HR, project management, and much more. We can't really mention it all as of now. The large ecosystem with many integration apps, highly customizable and scalable for growing companies. But with that, it does have a steeper learning curve. Customization may require developers or consultants, so you're really gonna need a big team for something like Odoo. Now you could use it as a small business, so it all just depends on how you're going to do so. But as a final verdict, both platforms are solid CRM solutions, but they will serve different needs. Vtiger is better for small businesses that want an affordable, straightforward CRM with sales and support features, while Odoo, on the other hand, is better for companies that want a complete business system with CRM integrated into accounting, inventory, and other operations. So, best for simple CRM, Vtiger, and best for business needing an all-in-one system will be Odoo. So you can always go ahead and explore both websites or tools yourself if you'd like. And hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.